Welcome. This is a day of celebration. We have gathered today in the love of friends and family to celebrate the joining together of these two lives. Thomas Malloy Wright and Laurie Morgan Kirkpatrick stand before you here today as two individuals, but they will leave as one, united in marriage.
We met when I was in a really low point in my life, but you showed that I was worth loving. You show me your love in the little things, like when you kiss me every morning before you leave for work, or never failing to tell me that you love me, even when we fight. And these things always mean the most to me. One of my favorite things about you is that you never fail to make me laugh. You are fiercely protective of me, and whatever is making me upset, you always jump right in to fix it. And I appreciate that you're always there for me when I can't be there for myself.
To my love, Laurie. Aren't we all books, waiting to be read by someone, and praying that they tell us that we make sense? The future is uncertain. I think about it all the time, but I do know one thing for certain. Every challenge that we have faced since I met you has reinforced the truth that you give me peace and love and strength, no matter the obstacle. Because you're a good soul. You are an angelic caretaker. It is probably the thing you do best.
You were my biggest supporter, and I can only hope to return the love that you've shown me. It's a privilege to have you as my partner, and I will stand by you always.
Love is work, but loving you is my dream job. I said it when we were in a relationship, I said it when we were engaged, and now I say it again a third time because it is true. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me.
Because you have made these promises to your one true love, it is with great joy and a full heart that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Please seal your union with a kiss. Friends and family, I present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Thomas and Laurie Wright.
One more?
Yeah.
Wake me up, pull me in the river. All hours, but we finally washed away.
The first time we met Laurie, knew it was a match. They were together all the time. Watching them fall in love and plan to marry was watching them grow together. Laurie, although we've considered you family for a long time, Darla and I want to officially welcome you with all of our love.
It's no secret that I'm so proud of what both of them have accomplished, and they inspire me daily. I'm so grateful to know that I have an awesome brother-in-law to take care of my sister and for her to be able to take care of him.
Ever since you two came into each other's lives, I have noticed a profound change in Tom. He radiates even more happiness and love than I can imagine anytime he talks about you. His entire demeanor and outlooks on life have positively changed, and he speaks even more eagerly on the future than any time before. I'm absolutely overjoyed and thankful to see you both share the strong bond you have and watch it blossom into a wonderful marriage.
I am in focus, I am in awe, forming in thought,